Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Adil MC. Today, instead of cars, I'll be diving into a PC experiment which I've always wanted to do. In short, I will be conducting a series of tests related to temperature before and after cleaning my PC and replacing the now 2-year-old thermal paste. I'm hoping for some temperature improvements and to see if what people say is actually true regarding dust and thermal paste. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'll share some specs of my PC build. Intel Core i5-9600K, which has all 6 cores overclocked to 4.9 GHz, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler with 4 heat pipes, MSI Mag Z390 Tomahawk motherboard, Corsair Vengeance 16GB of RAM, Phanteks Eclipse P400 PC case, MSI Gaming X2060 Super. So now you guys should have an idea of what I'm working with. Here are all the tools you need. Okay, let's first remove all the filters from my PC. As you can see, I have dust buildup from 1 year and it's pretty significant. I clean all of these filters by running them under water and letting them air dry. Now while these are drying, I'll use some air pressure to blow out dust from the grills the filters were on. You can use compressed air cans as well. I'm using an electric air blower built to clean electronics. Use the brush to free up any dust that's not easily blowing away. Alright, let's remove the side glass panel and also wipe it down while I'm at it. Clean the insides using some sort of brush to knock all the dust free and finish off by blowing it all away. Hold the fans and blow the pressurized air to remove all the dust. Make sure to hold the fans as you can damage them if they freely spin. Now that the PC is pretty much clean, I can move on to replacing the thermal paste on the CPU. Remove the CPU fan. Next, remove the CPU cooler by loosening and removing the 4 screws. As you can see, the thermal paste is definitely old. I got this thermal paste cleaning solution. The first solution removes thermal paste. Apply a few drops to the CPU and CPU cooler and wipe the thermal paste away with a microfiber cloth. Next, use the second solution to purify the surface of both the CPU and the CPU cooler. Wipe the solution with a different microfiber cloth. Now let's reinstall the CPU cooler. I used Arctic MX5 thermal paste as the replacement. Reinstall the CPU cooler fan, filters, and put together the rest of the PC panels. Alright, time to see the results. The first two images are data from before cleaning out the dust and replacing the thermal paste, whereas the second two images are data from after. I will be taking averages of the max temperature reached by the cores to make this simpler. During idle, we can see on average the max temperature hit by the cores is 64 degrees Celsius. Pretty high for idle status in my opinion. The second image, during stress we can see that on average the max temperature hit by the cores is 74 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperatures you see before I did any dust cleaning or thermal paste replacement. After cleaning and thermal paste replacement, during idle on average the max temperature is now reduced to 51 degrees Celsius, a total reduction of temperature by 20% at idle. During stress, on average the max temperature is now reduced to 69 degrees Celsius, giving a total reduction of temperature at stress by almost 7%. Alright guys, so now that we know dust and thermal paste are huge contributors to temperature, I have reached my conclusion and therefore the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more content that we'll be releasing in the future.